offering as a class to go, okay? And this is what you will get in your class. And this is, let me grab whatever fell on the floor. And this is the, what's the name of the kit? Making a memory kit. So let me open it. This is on the last chance list as well. And because it is kind of discounted, this is actually cheaper than when I bought the kit for my add-on class for the retreat, because when I bought it, it was a full price, duh, and then they put it on sale, but it was too late. So this is what the kit looks like. It is a scrapbooking kit. Yes, it is. So if you're a scrapbooker, you will be able to recreate some of the pages from the instructions here. I am not a scrapbooker. So what I did, using the parts here and then adding, you're going to get a full pack of these embellishments. They're on the last chance list discounted. If these get sold out, then I will substitute with something that will go with the design. You will get a full bolt of the cloud cover ribbon. Yet again, if this gets sold out, please know that you might get something different. You get a full package of the greetings for all mix and match, okay? And you will need these. You will see the projects, and then you will get some of the note cards and envelopes. What will you be making? What will you be making out of those? Now, please note that I will do most of the, so out of the whole package, I might use, I think we used maybe 2 sheets of the designer series paper, I think, and then a few of the stickers. And I'm gonna open up mine because you can see, because I don't want to open this, because this is one that I already have. So if somebody registers, then I already have the stuff to go. I'm gonna open up mine that I marked Monica, so I knew. And basically, we did not use, you will have this, but I did not use that. You will have to have your own dimensionals, and please know, I added a lot of dimensionals. So these are kind of the memories and more cards, and I used quite a few of these to create the cards. And then I cut up one, I think it's 1 sheet, 2, maybe 3 sheets, and then you have all these they're called, I will call, let me take them out, die cuts. You know, they're perforated, so you take them out, and some of those are just die cuts. And then you have a sheet of stickers, actually two sheets of stickers that you will need to use for a few projects. I will not touch those, okay? The only sheets that I will touch and prep are the one that I to cut up, actually the designer series paper and these. The rest you are on your own. You will get a PDF tutorial with pictures, and they're very easy peasy. The ladies at the retreat that registered for the class had a ball. They said it was fun. Okay, price for this shipped, it is $54 shipped. You get a ton of supplies. I showed you what you're getting, right? You're getting the kit, you're getting a full package, a full multi ribbon, a full package of these. Obviously you have stuff left over, but it's stuff that you can also use for your future crafting. You can use use the inspiration of what I did and create your own. Okay, so this is what is $54 shipped, and this is what you're going to make. This is, okay, I'm going to show you. You get to make 11 projects, okay? 2 of those are boxes, and the rest is cards. So the note cards here, you're going to open it up, and as you can see, these are die cuts, the sentiments from there, die cuts from that. And this is paper that I use from the set. And these, let me just fix this there. And these are the note cards that you will get to make with the envelopes, obviously. So 2 are like this. and then 2 are more of the masculine. I will give you all the stuff that is embossed, but everything that is just a die cut from it, you will take them out and do it, okay? Ribbon you will cut and everything. So this is the first project, and this has 5, so 4 note cards plus the box, and I will show you the template. I will show you, probably do a little video on how to assemble it, but it's easy peasy. And then this is the other project, okay? This is a belly band using the designer series paper. This is the banner that I will cut. This is part of the kit. The top is designer series paper. The bottom is cardstock that I will prep for you and score for you. You just need to follow instruction. And these are the cards that you get to make. You see the ribbon, the embellishments. These are from this part I will cut, and that is one. This is the other one, okay? This is a fun fold right there, a belly band, and voila, you open it up like that. And this is using the memories and more cards. And then we have this. I might change this one, or maybe not. It's up to you. You can emboss this if you want. One of the ladies at the retreat embossed it, but I wanted to keep it simple. And this is another fun fold like that. And then you have this one, simple and easy, using the greetings and the embellishment in there. So this is a class. I will put the registration link and on the at the end of this video, in the description of this video. I will also send out an email, but I am afraid that stuff will sell out. So if you're interested, act quickly upon it and get your registration in so that I can place the order and get them in for you in time before they sell out. So this is the class. Isn't this a cutie patootie class? What do you think? I see people watching, but I don't see comments. Could you please let me know? Just make a comment there. I would like to know if you think this is a nice class that you'll be interested in. And it is $54 shipped because there's a lot of stuff. And shipping is not cheap, okay? I'll do the cheapest way of shipping, but please consider that the cost is adding the shipping charges as well. Those I cannot discount. Product, you get a lot of product because you get a full packages, a full bolt, and a full packages of these, because this kit, what it is, highly discounted comparing to when I bought it. So I can offer full packages and some of these note cards and envelopes in the cost. So it is $54 to register for.